Hi Lalita,
Yes. Hello, Mansi. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great after seeing you. So,
Okay.
yes, thanks for
So,
coming here
what is
and thanks for giving me time.
you are also giving time, so thank you very much for sharing your time with me. So, what is the topic of today's conversation?
So, we should start topic like a friends and family. So, who's
Okay, this is the
important in
best
your
topic.
way? Yes.
Okay, okay. So, what do you think about friends and family? Which is important? Who are important, friends or family, and why?
So, in my way, both are parallel, but family is important in my way. So, we can learn lot of things our parents and they sacrifice to us for their studying and also we learn lot of things and they play good role and they like our role model, so
Yes.
we can't forget and we can't escape all these things, like
Hmm.
it's important, but some of privacy and some of our secret, that time we feel parents may be scold, so that time we share something with with our friends. But nowadays, friends seems good, true friends not available. So that's it.
Yeah, I agree with you. You are saying truth actually. But if I talk about myself now, so my family is very important for me, you know, and I'm very
Yes.
choosy person to make friends. I'm very choosy person to make friends, and my best friend is my mom and my husband. I can share everything to both.
Yes.
So I'm free to
So
share
it's
anything with my
yes,
husband and
it's
my
all
mom
about
also. Hmm?
yes, it's all about after marriage. Talked about before marriage. So after marriage,
Okay,
also
so
my
before marriage, I was not like very I told you like I'm very choosy person while making friends. So I had few friends few from them I can learn something. So I always try to make those friends I can learn something from those people. Not I don't make friend you are my friend, you are my friend, and they all are making fun of me and they all are wasting my time. So I don't want any other person who waste my time and who make fun of my thoughts and my journey. So I'm very choosy person to make friends, but friends are very helpful to get motivation. I don't mean I don't have friends. I have few friends, and those are very good. They are my real friend, I can say, because I learned so many things from them. Because from starting this channel, I was sitting on the couch and I was thinking about opening the channel, and suddenly I made a call to my college friend, you know. So I was sharing my thoughts with her, like I want to learn this language and I want to speak this language also, but how can I start? That at that time I was very demotivated, underconfident. So she guided me well and she gave me so many example, she gave me different kind of example that Mansi, you can do it, and you can do it, and whenever you will need help, then I'm ready to do, and I'm ready, I'm available for you. So she helped me a lot to create this channel also and to start my journey of speaking English. So if you have good friend na, then you can do good things, and you are making friends like without thinking, without knowing others, and you are going to waste your time. First thing, and second thing, you are going to learn some bad thing as well as also. And if you have few friends, like good friends, then you can use your time doing good things, and you can use your time to
so
learn some good things, and you can
so
share your thought. You can share your feeling also, because they are not going to misuse your thoughts. They are not going to humiliate to you, and they are not going to demotivate you. So if you have few friends, then it's good. But you have huge collection of friends and nobody is faithful to you, nobody is trustworthy, that there is no use to making friends. And if
Yes,
I talk about family, then family is very important, because sometimes we get depressed, and we need someone special to hug them, and to who blessed her. So family blessed her. Family is like a backbone, you know. Without family, we can't do whatever we want to do. They are our real support pillar. So we can't compare family and friends. Family is very important for me. Yes.
yes, I agree with you, and you explained very amazing. So in my way, friends, family is most important because I didn't and make any friend, and my sister is my best friend since my
Yeah,
childhood.
that's
So
good.
I share my lot of thing and my privacy, my secret, and she's very amazing, and she make me laugh when I feel depressed, when I was in sad.
Yeah,
So I share all things to her, and before it's all about before marriage and after marriage still she is my best friend, but my husband also my best friend, and my mother also my best friend. So they
yeah,
play a very good role in my life, and I can share all these things when I feel in depressed, and when I feel demotivated sometimes. So I share lot of things, and I share my emotion and expose myself in front of my sister. And when I feel in good mood, and I want to play and I want to make fun, so that time my husband play good role. And
yeah,
want to when I want to like some excuse and want to some caring, so that time my when I want to some like a care, some love, that time my mother is my best friend.
yeah.
Both all are play good role. So in
Good
future,
role.
maybe it will be with me always. So it's my hope. So it's they are a family, our backbone. You are right, say.
Mhm.
So you said yes. So they play a very important role and very crucial role in our life, and we can't achieve anything. We can't achieve anything without our
We can't
parents.
we can't imagine our life without the family, you know.
Yes.
So
When we achieve something, then parents play good. Parents support us, and when we failed, that time play parents also support. But when we achieve something, that time sometime some of our parents friends not happy. So
happy.
I
Why she's doing
yes,
good thing? Why she's achieving this thing? Yes.
yes.
Jealousy is there
So feel
in
sometimes
their mind.
yes. So nowadays true friend can't find, and it's impossible.
Yeah, it's
So
very
I
difficult to find true friends, real
mm,
friends.
and I yes, and I have no friend nowadays, and before marriage also. So
Really, really?
like a bucket. Yes. So some of my classmates they got married now, so that's why they are not with me now.
No, but I have so many friends, but they are real friends. They are good for me. So yeah, I can say I have some good friends.
Okay, so actually I believe in just just do good behave to everyone. Don't hurt to anyone. So it's
Hmm.
important. If you have no friend, but you have a good bonding with your neighbor, with your relative, and with your parents, with your husband, and
Parents,
your
with your family.
classmates, so it's important. Yes. So it's
Yes,
important, and I have a good bonding with my neighbor, with my in-laws, and with my friends, and with classmates, not friends, and husbands, and my parents also, and my
yes,
sister and brother.
yeah, that's good because without fan we can imagine our life, you know, to live
Yes,
life. We can imagine to live life without having friends, but without family, without family support, without having family, we can't imagine our life. So this is very important to live with
yeah,
family, to having family.
yeah,
So
yes, yes,
like if I talk about friends, so there are so many friends. How can you find they are real or not? And there are so many friends like if you want to do something in your life and you are sharing your thoughts, you are sharing your feeling with your friends, and he's not uh, taking you seriously, he's not listening you seriously, and he's not guiding you, he's not supporting you, and he's demotivating you, then you can understand she and he is not your real friend, and he's
yes,
not feeling good with you, he is not happy with your thoughts, and he's not happy, he and she is not happy with your progress and with your journey. So we should make distance these type of friends because they
yes,
are not our actually real friends. They are just what
yes,
happened now, if you upload a photo on Instagram or Facebook, then you will get few likes, you will get few likes, like, and if you share that photo, same photo in your stories, like on Facebook or Instagram, then so many people saw that story. Why? They don't like you, but they want to see what is happening in your life. They have interest to know about your life. So this is a sad
yeah,
reality. People don't like you, but they don't want to put their leg in your like in your
yeah,
privacy in your life. So this is a sad reality.
abs-
I noticed that.
yes, you are absolutely right.
Yes. So
So that's good topic for our audience.
yes, interesting topic.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because there are so many
It's like
school
yes,
boys and girls, like students, school boy and girl, college boy and college girl. What they do,
yes,
they go college or they go school to make friends, you know. They want, like, I have so many friends, and they have very happy feeling like I have so many friends. But they have when they pass out from their schools and when they pass out from their college, then they realize who is actually real friend and who is fake friend. But in school and college we thought like she's my friend, he's my friend, everyone is my friend. So
yes,
I also had
yes.
this feeling in my school time.
Yeah, though some I mostly don't like that type person who speak in two way, and he's very cunning, and he speak
Yeah.
his meaning is different, but something is running inside here
Their
to
mind.
them. So that, yeah, their mind, yes. So that's person is not applicable
Good.
in my life.
Good for our health. You know,
Yeah.
I sorry. If I talk about myself, I'm very straightforward. Whatever comes in my mind, I speak out face to face. Sometimes people get hurt, but after some time they realize she was saying truth, and she agreed with. Then they agree with my thought and my feeling, because if you want to say something to other person, say directly, don't say other, and then he will say to that person, then he will hurt more, he will get hurt more. If you say
Yeah.
directly, then you are not going to hurt that person more. So whatever comes in your mind, what is your feeling about that person, you have to say directly. This is
And
a
sometimes
way.
some of friends they keep smiling, but inside I don't know, we don't know what's going on in their mind. So it's a
Yeah,
very awkward thing for me. They
you
smile,
know,
they they feel angry, and they feel furious inside. So and feels keep smiling all time on their face outside.
Sugar is not very good for our health. Sugar, chini, same like same like sugar. Sweet person not always good for our health also. You know, so
Yeah,
they can also spoil our life and plans and our mind. They can spoil our mind also.
yeah,
So
yeah,
we can inhale sugar and those smile also in a few amount.
yeah. And truth is always bitter. Like that, if somebody
Yeah,
speaks truth, so it's always bitter.
we can't digest easily.
Yeah. So nice conversation with you. So
Yeah, it was nice talking to you. So we will
we
meet
will
again.
meet again. Yes.
Okay, okay, sure,
Definitely.
sure.
Yes.
So bye
Okay.
bye. See you soon.
Bye bye. Yes.
See you soon. Yes.
Conversation with you. Have a good day.
You too, dear.